Style. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you like the collective haul because I got like chota mota things from different websites like Amazon, Myntra and Ajio. So let's start. Well, before we move on, I'm just reminding you to please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you can watch more content on fashion, beauty and skincare. So let's roll. So first thing I'm going to show you what I got from Myntra. Myntra, I got this crop top from Myntra from the brand Plus S. I've never tried this brand before. I was just seeing I was just seeing it all over Myntra, but I did not see it. I did not bother to buy any of it, but touch wood, this has the best quality. Well, the top looks like somewhat like this. Wait. This is the top which has this puffy sleeves with an elastic here so that you can wear it off shoulder or you can wear it on the shoulder or even off the shoulder. It has a little bit of a deep neck, not super deep neck, just comes like till here. You're gonna see it in the try on part. Okay. So this is how it looks. It has this ruching in the upper area and a little bit of peplum kind of thing in the lower thing. This is a crop top, so it looks good. It looks good in so many different ways. Now I remember getting it at the best price. The price on this is $15.99. No. I got it around for this around 400 to 500. I don't remember. But I think this looks so good with skirts or even jeans or even leather pants. I'm going to show you leather pants in your mind. Well, that's that. And I really like it. I got in the size small, but still it's a little bit loose to me. So I would recommend, if you want to buy this, I would recommend you to go for a size down to get the perfect fit. Leather pant is in my wish list for the past 2 years and I've never got a chance to get, but in the last year, like 2020 December, I've ordered a leather pant, but I messed up with the sizing, so that came out really small. So I returned it and again I ordered another leather leggings from H&M. Yeah, from H&M. But that order was cancelled after a week, so I felt so bad and I took the leather pant wali wish out of my wish list this year, but touch wood. In the last week of December H&M has conducted another sale on their website and also in the store, of course, on their website, like around 50% up to 50% off. So in that case, I saw another leather pants and this time I could not resist. So I got the leather pants, which is a little bit of flared kind of leather pants, not the fitted leather pants, because leather pants, I just think of leather pants, you think of that Kardashian, Kylie Jenner fitted leather pants, but no, this is not. This is kind of flared one, so it will be more comfortable. Touch wood, the material is so good. Of course, it's a fake or fox faux leather, but the material is so good. You know what? It has a fleece lining inside. So good. I really like the quality of it. This time I got in the size 40, I think. Yeah, 40, European size 40. And I really like it. It fits me like a glove. Yeah, it does fit me really well. It has a little bit, tiny bit of stretch, that's it. But it does fit me really well in my thighs and on my waist also, which is great, man. Like European 40 implies 30 in our Indian sizes. So yeah, beware. Don't go with 30 in European sizes. That is going to end up really small. So yeah, you're gonna see this in the try-on part and I really like it. I really love it. Another one which I got from H&M are these rhinestone evil eye earrings. You would see. The MRP of this is $7.99. I remember getting it for $400 from Myntra. This leather pants I got it over H&M app, but this I got over Myntra from H&M on Myntra. So I got it for around $3.99 or so. So that means there was a sale going on, of course. So I really like it. This adds such a good elegance to your whole outfit. So yeah, we're here. Continuing with a jewelry spree, I got yet another layered necklace from Amazon. Amazon has such amazing collection of necklaces at affordable prices. So if you follow me on my Instagram, you would have already seen this necklace. It has 5 layers, 3 chain link layers and 2 normal small chain link layers. And this looks so heavy. This is more like a Bappi Larry jewelry kind of thing, which is so heavy, and this adds that own factor to even a normal jeans and t-shirt. So that is the reason I got it, and I'm not disappointed. The quality is so good. It is heavy. The quality is so good and I really like it. I got this necklace for just 200. Can you believe? Just 200. It's from Amazon. This is from the brand Yellow Chimes. I'm gonna insert it here. So, a set of 6 masks. 6 masks for 400 odd. So, to be honest, I was very much surprised by the quality. Like, it is so thick. It has a filter inside and you can feel the filter inside. So I really like it. You get it in 6 colors. And I feel this is such a steal, man. Like 6 masks for 400. Come on. Like, come on. Ta-da! We are here with yet another kurta from Amazon. Oh god, kurtas from Amazon you can get at such an affordable price, but you have to have that potential and patience to search through the Amazon website or app, because you can find kurtas at around $350 on Amazon. Like, you can find a wide variety of kurtas for $350. So here is one such kurta which I got from my mother. So this is from the brand Mix, which is Amazon's home brand. Amazon's home brand. In this really beautiful color. Don't ask me the name of the color. But the color parent is beautiful kurta. It has this embroidery on the top, which you can see. And the embroidery is really well done. The kurta is of really good quality, to be frank, than the kurtas I got from Amazon. Than the kurtas I got from Myntra. I really like the kurtas from Amazon with a really good quality. This is made of the material rayon, so, and the best price, 350 rupees for this kurta. Wow. And the next kurta I got from my mother is this grey and off-white kurta, which has this tassel detailing on the top and there's like a off-white panel in the middle, so it looks smarter. And this is made of pure cotton. Yeah, this is made of pure cotton, and the quality is so good. It's so good. It will last for a really long time, I feel. The quality is so good. It's also from the same brand Mix. I did not realize till now, but yeah. This is also for around 350 rupees. So I really like the quality. Last but not least, we have 5 leggings we got from Amazon. There was this combo offer. 2 leggings. There's a combination like these 2 leggings are for 400 stuff. So the quality is so good, man. I used to buy leggings from Go Colors back in the day. That was shit expensive. Like, 1 leggings for 500, but these 2 leggings are for 400 odd. And the quality is so good. Like, come on. Amazon. And I got another combination of ankle length leggings of this off-white, maroon and orange for around 500 or 600, I guess, which is a great pricing for leggings, I feel, like for an everyday kind of leggings. So yeah, the quality is also super good. Speaking about the brands, this is from Tavasia, and these two leggings are also from Tavasia. Okay. These leggings brands are Thawasia, so search that on Amazon. You're gonna get a great deal on Amazon leggings, particularly if you wear leggings every day. So this is going to be a steal price, and I think that is going to last for really long. Yeah. Guys, I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed watching this Chota Mota haul. To get the full full breakup of this outfit, I have uploaded a OOTD reel on this on Instagram. You can see it here on my Instagram page. So I'm trying to post more reels on Instagram from now on because I'm enjoying that so much. Because in 2020 I was kind of confused. Okay, should I make a reel or not? That's for another vlog. So we're gonna check it out later. And yeah, that's about today's video. I hope you really enjoy watching this Chota haul, and please subscribe to this channel if you really like this content. If you really like videos on my channel, if you watch videos on my channel often, please subscribe. Hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And like this video if you like this video. Comment down below what sort of videos you like to watch on this channel, and what kind of videos you want to watch this Sankranti. So please tell me that. And also, last but not least, please follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram handle is on the screen and down in the description box below. And all the links of all the outfits or all the dresses or all things shown in this video will be down in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. And yeah, that's about it. I'll meet you in another video. Until then, bye bye.